Hello, everybody. It's Jen, Gavin, and Joe, and we've got some milk from the Lancaster.
It's just about the same.
Lancaster Market. We picked this up down there.
Maplehofe Dairy Farm Store. They are out of Coreyville, PA.
All right.
So we got blueberry milk and we got orange.
That's
orange
right.
cream milk. Which one you want to start with?
I love my flavored milks.
Orange?
Orange. You glad you didn't say the other one? Huh?
Well, I'm scared that one has chunks in it.
No, none of the milks have chunks.
It's not cottage cheese milk.
We hope.
There is no cottage cheese.
There's the orange. It's pretty color. I mean, you probably can't see it as good on there, but it's pretty.
It tastes. You already
Ooh, I
tried
can
it?
smell it. You like it?
Let's check it.
That's a melted creamsicle.
That is awesome. What brand is it? Maplehofe Dairy Farms. I don't know if you can find them anywhere other than Lancaster Market, but if you can, I'd get in your car and go check that orange one out.
They're out of Coreyville, PA. That is, we've
Well,
had orange milk before, but that one's even.
That's
That's like a
awesome.
melted
That was this
creamsicle.
time.
All right, let's do the
That is
blueberry.
awesome.
Can we have both at the same time?
Well, that might not taste so good if we mix them, but we'll use our same cups. How about that?
I'm gonna try this.
I'm excited for this one. I like berry milk. Well, berry
Pretty.
flavored
They're
stuff.
very vibrant
Berry ice
color.
creams. Smells good.
You smell the blueberry. That's like really intense, like cereal from milk.
Reminds
Like
me
you know
of
what I mean? Like you soak your blueberry cereal in milk.
Nummy,
Reminds me of
yum,
like a melted raspberry kind of ice cream
Yes.
shake. That is off the charts good.
I really
Both
like the
of them
orange.
are really good.
I really like the orange, but man, that blueberry is
That
something
is
totally different
awesome.
I've never had.
Can we open both of them?
They do sell it in the
Just in case.
what's this,
we
a
want
pint,
some.
and they had it in the quarts.
Who wants?
It's a few hours away, so I was trying to play it safe and
We're
just got
just-
the pints.
We're
But,
just gonna have more.
oh yeah, that is. I wish I'd have bought it by the gallons. Twisted my arm.
I know.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, that's all I can say. So you get in the Lancaster Market area, check them out, or look up. I got to see if they ship this stuff.
That is good.
But that is
That-
off the charts.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Wow,
Wow,
it's that
that's
good.
so good.
Comments to the chef. Compliments to the chef. That is. So
Can I have 2 layers?
He's going right for it, so you know it's good.
check it out. Like, subscribe, comment. Be blessed, be a blessing, and drink your milk. You won't regret it.